Learn English through the rhyme, the dance of time.
The sun will rise, and the moon will glow, through the seasons, time will flow, a whisper soft, a roaring call, time weaves stories, large and small. It never pauses, it never waits, unlocking dreams and sealing fates. Like sand through fingers, it slips away, yet brings us hope with each new day. Tick-tock, tick-tock, hours spin, life unfolds from deep within, yesterday's gone, tomorrow's near, time is the thread that we all wear. So hold it close, and let it be, a friend, a guide, a mystery, for time is ours, a gift to share, in every heartbeat, everywhere. Thanks to join with Foysal English Academy. Please follow Foysal English Academy for future notifications.